So about a year ago, I was experiencing severe fatigue that caused me to rethink my entire marketing strategy around the business. My business is providing marketing and online education to entrepreneurs globally on how to market their businesses online. At that point, I was only able to work up until about midday before I started crashing due to serious health issues. And that's when I decided to turn my attention to video marketing. How can I create a marketing strategy that really takes me out of the picture so I could deal at the time with my health issues, but still generate the sales ongoing without too much effort and too much input from me. What I love about this strategy is it doesn't matter what product or service you actually use in your business, it's the same strategy that you can use to sell anything. You not only increase your sales significantly, but you can free up a lot of your marketing resources, because even though we've done over $1 million in sales, we don't have a large team. I don't want a large team. I love to travel. In the last 6 months, I've been working on my new book. We traveled to Canada, throughout the US, interviewing various experts. And in that time, we only had 2 part-time team members that were working a combined 4 days per week, with me working maybe half a day a week on the actual business and that other half of the day working on writing the new book and the research project. So I run a very lean team and I like it that way. It allows for flexibility. So if you want to really free up your time and create a video marketing strategy that gives you more bang for your buck, especially if you're running Facebook ads, then here are a few tips on how to get started immediately. And the first tip is to write a video sales script. The reason that we in fact write them before we ever create or launch a product is to write it, record it via audio, then listen to it back and ask ourselves the question, would we actually buy this product? Would we purchase it immediately, or is there not enough urgency around this product? Does it not dig into the needs of what we're looking for at that time to actually buy? So you want to create a sales script that, first of all, you look at what is the problem that your consumer is facing that they want solved right now. This doesn't matter if you're a life coach, consultant, social media marketing agency, you sell real estate, you sell various little products, hell, you could even sell a pen through a video marketing script. Whatever you're selling, what is the problem that you're aiming to solve? If it's real estate, then the problem that that consumer has is finding the right house at the right price in the right location. And as a real estate agent, that's something that you could use to sell yourself through a video, saying that there are the key factors that you actually look for when helping particular clients. If it's a consulting business, it's typically taking pressure off of the owner and helping them to grow that business, while also providing proof that you can in fact achieve those specific results. So your first step is to write a sales video script that identifies the problem, builds the need, then starts to offer a solution, creates a particular package or some kind of service offering, whether that might be just a free consult in which you upsell at a later stage, or if it's a product, it doesn't matter what product it is, a direct call to action to buy online. That's your very first step. Write it out, record it, listen to it back. Hell, if you wouldn't buy it, it's a dodgy sales script and you've got to go back to the drawing board. We'll often rewrite them several times before we go, yep, that's the one that's going to nail it. Number 2, you need to create a landing page to host this video. In this particular case, you're going to be running either Facebook ads or driving some kind of paid or even your email list traffic to a particular landing page that has this video hosted on it. The video should be prominent at the top of this landing page. In our examples, we have a big play button that says hit to play to learn more about it now. When you think about the individuals that are landing on this page, it's the context of the ad that's initially captured their attention. So it's the objective of the landing page to kind of draw them in further and then close the sale if it's appropriate for them, of course. You don't want to sell to everyone. Close the sale and get them to purchase as soon as possible. What I see in many cases is that the sales process is far too long, it's far too lengthy, which can also delay cash flow. So what I recommend to all of my clients and all of my students around the world is that you have two types of sales processes happening at any one time. One is get the sale immediately. So in this case, you've got a landing page with a video, direct call to action. And a second strategy is to consistently share information with those individuals that may take a little bit longer. So you've got a cash flow in immediately, which can fund your advertising campaigns and other aspects of your business, and the longer term strategy, which really drives your profit margins. So you've got two strategies in play. Having a landing page featuring one product and service only is really key as to why this strategy has done so well and why it continues to do even better in the past few months as we fine-tune and we tweak things as we go along. Number 3, what are your upsell opportunities? To ensure this strategy is profitable and you're not just funding your advertising campaigns, you're hitting your profit margin goals at the same time, you need to make other offers that are relevant to the individual that's purchasing that first product or service. Now, this may be relevant to some of you and not so relevant to others. It depends on the business that you're in, so you can decide on that. But there is one particular case study here where I am in the US where one company offered 7 different upsells after someone had made that initial purchase. Many of you watching this will think, that is super aggressive. I would never do it. That never works. That would never work in my industry for my business. That particular business, a fitness business, does over $1 billion in sales per year, and $500 million is a result of those 7 upsells. Got to ask yourself the question, are you willing to give up half of your profit because you personally don't think it's right? What you think is right and what your consumers think is right are two different things. So push yourself out of the picture. What does your consumer want? If you're making an offer that is of interest to them, is going to solve a very real problem for them, then put it in a way that communicates to them immediately that this is where I'm going to get my solution and I'm going to get a result, so I need to take action now. Oh, this other thing that you're also offering to them will also go a long way to solving that problem too, so I'm going to add that as well. What we've found is by doing that has been really at the core of ensuring our profit margins are really high throughout this video marketing strategy. Number 4, you need to be running adverts to those landing pages to get that evergreen campaign happening. So the ads run either on Facebook. We spend over $1,000 a day on Facebook most days, and we're looking at increasing that budget. What we do is, because that traffic is constantly going to those landing pages and we're optimizing those ads, it just ticks away. And as I said, in the last 6 months, I've probably spent about half a day working on this business. The rest of the day has been working on my new project through Entrepreneur Magazine, my new book coming out in October later this year. It's been very much set it running, make sure that you've got an eye on the ads and just chip away at them a little bit every single day so you maintain it and keep that growth happening. And then every 6 months, we'll do an overhaul of everything, introduce brand new content and roll that out so we can take the growth to the next stage. And number 5, optimize everything on the back end. This is everything from your checkout page, so they've hit the landing page, they're about to purchase. Have you added key testimonials that will influence them and ensure they actually purchase, as well as ensuring that it's providing credibility for you and your business and that kind of authority that tips them over the edge to make that purchase immediately. This also includes looking at your email marketing sequences after they've made that initial initial purchase. If they haven't purchased any of your upsells, but it is something that they could potentially be interested in because you potentially offer a suite of different products or services that are complementary to each other. After they've made that purchase, there should be some kind of offers going out saying, hey, have you checked this out? Hey, have you checked this other thing out? And potentially providing either coupon offers or some other kind of special offers that are time limited that get them to take action immediately. It's optimizing these little things on the back end that significantly add to your profit margins. And we found some tweaks have doubled our profits. Literally doubled our profits. So you're spending the same amount of money on ads on the front end, but by doubling a conversion rate, not just on your landing page, but also on your checkout page, your profit margins go through the roof, and ads that weren't profitable before suddenly become profitable as well as scalable, so you can keep increasing your sales and investing those initial sales and that cash back into those ads so you can keep growing your business without having to take out a serious business loan, which has been an incredible way to grow this business without massive overheads, without spending hours upon hours every single day frustrated as to whether the sales are going to come in or not. Video marketing is really incredible for those of you who, like me, hate doing webinars, hate doing sales calls, you don't like doing networking events so much, but you want to generate the cash flow and you want it to keep coming in a way that it frees up your time so you can grow your business as well as service your existing clients, or in my case, work on other projects like writing my upcoming book. So if you'd love to learn more and get your free personalized video marketing checklist, type the word video under this particular video or visit benangel.co/video to get your checklist now, and also get on the wait list for our upcoming video marketing course. In the meantime, got any video marketing questions, hit me up in the comments section below, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.